Everyone. Today, let's prepare a simple and delicious Chekudukaya Tomato Curry, also known as cluster beans tomato curry. First, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a few mustard seeds, 2 red chilies, and some curry leaves. Let them splutter. Next, add on finely chopped onion and sauté until it turns slight golden brown. Add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook until the raw smell disappears. Now, add chopped tomatoes. Add salt to taste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix well and cook until the tomatoes become soft and mushy. Then, add the cleaned and chopped cluster beans. Sprinkle little water, cover with a lid, and cook on medium flame until the beans turn soft. Once cooked, add a pinch of garam masala and mix well. Finally, garnish with freshly chopped coriander leaves and turn off the stove. And that's it. Your tasty Chekudukaya tomato curry is ready. It pairs perfectly